Google has introduced its latest AI-powered app, Google Gemini. This incredible tool, packed with the power of artificial intelligence, works seamlessly on both laptops and Android mobile devices. Whether you're at home or in the classroom, students of all levels can benefit from it. Preparing for exams has never been easier, because Google Gemini has ended the hassle of buying or carrying around expensive books. With its built-in filters, children can access only educational content. Not only can they gather information, but they can also create charts, drawings, and images related to their subjects, making learning more effective and exciting. Google Gemini, a priceless gift for parents and teachers, helping make children's education simpler, smarter, and safer. And now, we journey into human history. This isn't just history, it's the story of humankind, the story of footsteps lost in the sands of time, the story of dreams that have connected us across centuries, the story of you, of me, of all of us. Come, discover those tales on the Human History page, stories that will amaze you, inspire you, and bring you closer to your own roots. Follow us today on Facebook, like, comment, and share the love with your friends. Because we are all part of the same great chain, let's bring history back to life, together,